Okay, so we have a problem out here. This was asked by one of the students as a doubt. So I'll try to solve this here. And I just put it out here so that I thought just in case it benefits others who have similar doubts, same or similar doubts. So this is from Selena, exercise 9B, the fourth sum. If you don't have the textbook, that's fine. I'll just write out the question out for you here. So it says, a sum of rupees 4,000. So rupees 4,000. So rupees 4,000 amounts to, so rupees 4,000 amounts to rupees 5,000 in 8 years. Rupees 5,000 in 8 years. Okay. So in how much time will 2,100 amount to 2,800? So in how much time will rupees 2,100 amount to rupees 2,800 at the same rate? So it's very simple. But then you have two cases here. So we'll talk about case one. One thing is it's saying at the same rate. But in both the scenarios, whatever is the principal amount, things are different, but the rate of interest is the same. So in case one, the principal is 4,000 and the amount is 5,000. Okay, both are in rupees. So we understand that simple interest is amount minus principal, isn't it? So it's 5,000 minus 4,000, which is rupees 1,000. So we have the formula, isn't it? SI is equal to P into T into R upon 100. We'll deploy that here. So SI is 1,000 is P. So P is what? P is 4,000 into T. T is 8 years. In this case, the first case, T is 8 years. I'll just put that out here. See, T is 8 years. Into R, I don't know. Let me compute that R. And for case 2, it will be the same R. So P into T into R upon 100. Two zeros cancel. I have this 1,000 is equal to 40 into 8 into R. Okay. 1,000 is equal to 40 into 8 into R. Let's just look back whether the calculation is correct. Yeah. PTR over 100, isn't it? 40 into 8 into R. Two zeros are cancelled. Then I can cancel a zero this side and this side. Then 100 divided by 4 into 8 is equal to R. So 4 ones are 4 25s are. So 25 by 8 is R, or R is 25 by 8 is 8 3s are 24, 3 1 by 8%. Okay. So this is what we have here. Not that we have to simplify it, as you can leave it at this. R is 25 by 8%. So now what is important? Not the rate percent actually. They didn't ask the rate percent, right? So in how much time? So in the second scenario, it's the time that we need, wherein rupees 2,100 will amount to rupees 2,800. We'll do that. So in case 2, what happens? So case 1 we have seen, right? So we'll go to case 2. So in case 2, we want the time for what? Where principal is rupees 2,100 and that will amount to rupees 2,800. So in that case, obviously, what is simple interest? A minus B, which is 2,800 minus 2,100, which is rupees 700. So the simple interest in this case is 700 because 2,100 amounts to 2,800 at the same rate, but time we don't know, right? So rate is what? Rate is in the previous case, same thing, right? 25 upon 8%. right? And 4 ones are 420. We cancelled it out. Remember, 25 by 8. I'm just scrolling back the pages so you can relate to what I'm talking about. Okay. So R is 25 by 8%. So we just have to plug in the values now. So SI is what? The same formula. P into T into R over 100. Just put in all the values. So SI in this case is 700. Okay. Is equal to P into T. What is the principal? It is 2100. 2100 is going to amount to 2800, isn't it? P into what is T? I don't know. I need to compute. Into R. R is 25 upon 8 by 100. PTR over 100. So you can cancel out 2 zeros here and here. Then what do I get now? Okay. I get 700 is 21 into T into 25 over 8. You can take out, you have to cross the equality sign. You can take this 8 up. It goes to the numerator. And the 21 and the 25 will come down. 20, okay, I'll just write it here. 25. Okay. Both will come down. And T will be left out here. The 25 and 25 in the numerator, they came to the denominator when they crossed the equality. I moved them from RHS, right-hand side, to the left-hand side. So we just have to solve this now. We can say 7 3s are 21, 7 100s are. Okay. So then 21, 25 ones are 25 4s are. Okay. P into T into R by 100. T is unknown, right? So it is 8 into 4 by 3. And there's nothing more I can cancel it, isn't it? 8 into 4 by 3 is time. So our time is 8 4 32 by 3 years. It will always be in years. So you can, yeah, so 32 by 3 years. This can be 10 and 2 by 3 years. Okay. 2/3 year means if you divide that year 12 months into 3 parts, you'll get 4, right? So 8 months, 10 years and 8 months precisely. So this is how you will be able to solve this. Okay. So I hope the explanation has been helpful.